My name's Rich Baker. I'm working here as Project Zulu engineer. We're here with the team. We've got a couple of projects in 2 schools. In this school, we've got the Bridge and Causeway project, so that the students can get from one side of the school to the other in the wet season without getting wet.
The Township Engineering project has been running now for about 4 or 5 years, and the main aim is to draw on the emerging professional engineering skills of UWE Bristol students to help solve practical and infrastructural challenges at the Project Zulu Schools for the benefit of the teachers and the learners.
My name is Phagati. I'm the principal or the headmaster of the Mntimande Primary School. When there are floods, the reception, the year 4 and year 5s cannot be able to go to school. So we've decided that we need to make the bridge that can allow water to pass through. So it's gonna assist the learners going forward.
This project here is for Mntimande School, and we are building a bridge and a raised walkway to help the kids get to their classes during the wet season. The change is really good to see and really satisfying to see the work getting done.
So this is some real hands-on engineering work, which is something that you have experience in uni, but not to this kind of extent. And the amount of stuff I've learnt within the first couple of days is a lot more than I was expecting. The amount of tools we've used and the way we've had to use our ingenuity to get around certain situations has really come to fruition, and yeah, I think we've got some really good results. So I feel like my understanding of engineering and using it in practical situations has really come to life.
This brings it into the real world. It lets me use the skills I had, such as engineering management, calculations, quantity surveillance, and put them into real applications versus just having it on paper for a mark.
Yeah, I think it's really unique, I won't get this opportunity every day. It's really an eye-opener. It's nothing like back in England, I think. Just the fact that you see people smiling and, they're very curious. Hopefully, you can also inspire them one day to do something better for the world.
I would highly recommend volunteering. It's such a useful, unique and fantastic experience.
We are very happy, the staff is very happy to see the engineering students starting to do this bridge. So we thank you so much and wish all the best for us from you. Thank you.